Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about VAIO 41-inch FE laptop series. So friend, VAIO has announced the notebooks equipped with the latest technology expand its FE series to offer new high-performance laptop with an impressively long battery life to work, create, game and watch entertainment from anywhere for longer. And friend, it is equipped with 12th generation Intel Core processor, Windows 11, THX Spatial audio. The VAIO FE laptop deliver maximum performance and immersive entertainment. So friend, the VAIO FE 14.1-inch laptop features 12th generation Intel Core i5 1235U processor, Windows 11 Home, 512GB solid-state drive, 8GB memory, THX Spatial audio, precision touchpad, fingerprint scanner, front-facing camera with privacy shutter, and up to 10 hours of battery life. And friend, is available in black, blue, silver, and rose gold color and priced at $699. And friend, the second model is also 14.1-inch, but difference is 1TB SSD and 16GB memory, and other features are same. And it is also available in same colors but priced at $799. And friend, third one, which is features 12th generation Intel Core i7 1255U processor, Windows 11 Home, 1TB SSD, 16GB memory, THX Spatial audio, and other features are all same. And friend, it is priced at $949. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.